Sandeep, first of all, many congratulations from Vidya Center on your feat for cracking CAT twice and getting an excellent percentile in 2 consecutive years.
Thank you, Suresh.
So, tell me your background first of all, from where you are and.
I'm from Hyderabad. I did my school and college in Hyderabad and up to intermediate level. I did my BTech in IIT Guwahati.
I guess that is what. When did you start preparing for the exam, Sandeep? Or what books, study material did you refer at various stages of your preparation?
I started my CAT preparation seriously from the day when I first wrote IAMS SimCAT 1. So I think 3 months is sufficient. Whatever, I have only referred IAMS material for the preparation. And I think doing all the SimCATs in IAMS is enough for you.
So, would you recommend any magazines or supplement your regular studies?
Yeah, you can always look at internet for studying. There is some few sites like pagalguy.com and 10aday.com.
Okay.
This will be very helpful for your preparation.
Okay, Sandeep. Yeah. What is the one thing that you think contributed most to your success?
One thing I think that contributed most to my success is taking the exams regularly and preparing and maintaining your score regularly.
Okay.
So you should consider every test as a serious CAT test and prepare for it.
Okay, Sandeep, that helped. So, how many hours of study per week do you think is sufficient to get such splendid results?
I think should be no discipline in that. You can do whenever you want to it, but you should when you should do some exercises with your study so that you can remember whatever study
Okay.
materials.
So, which teachers or coaching institutes do you feel helped in your journey?
Actually, I haven't taken any classroom coaching,
Okay.
but in Guwahati only IMS center is there, and so I have studied only IMS material. That's enough. If you can do it from IMS material, you can do from any coaching material.
Okay. So, what are the avenues available to you right now, Sandeep? What are your future plans and how do you plan to go about your journey?
Right now, I'm interested in doing MBA. So currently, my plan is getting prepared for IMS GDP.
Yeah. So, Sandeep, you have got all calls from all the IIMs 2 times now in a row. So, what is the final advice that you would like to give to the fellow aspirants who will be trying to follow your footsteps?
One thing is never get tense or never get pressured during the exam. The only thing that is important is 2.5 hours of exam. My friend who has studied nothing until exam has got 5 calls on the D-Day. So the most important thing is write the exam calmly. It will do very well.
Okay, Sandeep. So, can you briefly tell us the percentiles that you have got this year and last year?
In CAT 2006, I got 99.73 percentile, 6 calls from all IIMs.
Okay.
In CAT 2007, I got 99.91 percentile, same 6 calls from all IIMs.
That is great, Sandeep, and best of luck for your GDs and PIs.